Okay, so why are you looking so serious at me? Smile. Everyone, please smile. Okay, so I have a question for all of you. Have you ever felt unwelcomed and unprotected in your life? Or you went to a friend and he didn't welcome you with great enthusiasm? If that is so, then you need to have a Pashtun friend. Because I'm talking about my favorite 3 Pashtun traditions. And these are hospitality. In Pashto we say milmastia. The second one is asylum. In Pashto we say nanavati. And the third one is unique way of celebration festivals like Eid al-Azha and Eid al-Fitr. So starting with hospitality, showing up hospitality and profound respect for all visitors, regardless of religion, caste, social and economic status, and without hope of remuneration and favor. So whenever you visit a Pashtun friend, he will or she will welcome you with great enthusiasm and energy. And yes, she will offer delicious dishes also. She will prepare for you. So that is hospitality. And the second one is asylum. And this is very close to my, because when you are felt unprotected, it is and you go to your Pashtun friend, it is the responsibility of your Pashtun friend to protect you. So Pashtuns protect you from your enemies. Whenever, and it's happened in Pakistan, in the people in other provinces, when they feel unprotected or at risk, they visit the Pashtun areas, and the Pashtun are responsible for their protection. And the second aspect, which is very beautiful of asylum, is that the Nanavati is that when you do something wrong, then you will go to the victim house and you will pledge for forgiveness. This is the most beautiful aspect of Nanavati. And the third one is unique way of celebrations, holy festivals like Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha. For instance, when we offer prayer, Eid prayer, then it is responsibility, it is obliged for everyone to visit his or her neighbors, to greet them and share pain and happiness with them. And most importantly, when someone have lost his or her close one, so the Pashtun after the Eid, they go to their homes and share their pain. So this is the most beautiful aspect of Pashtun culture tradition. That's all for me, and I think you will need a Pashtun friend in your life.